Well, of course, young people will play a very vital role in the coming elections. And in every elections, in every big event that happens in our country, young people always have an integral role to play. My campus political party, Tingo Caroline Party, is an affiliate of the Student Council Alliance of the Philippines, and I can proudly say that I have been a member of that party for the last 10 years now, and until now, we continue to do our share in our university, trying to live up to the ideas that we share as an organization of young people, the Student Council Alliance of the Philippines. Congratulations to the 7th National Congress of SCAP, Student Council Alliance of the Philippines. More power, and to all the student leaders present in the 7th National Congress, to whom much is given, much is also expected.
I'd like to be able to address young people, not just for the coming elections, pero yung 14 years of being together, what a journey it has been for the student leaders, lahat ng mga bumubuo ng Student Council sa buong Pilipinas at ang inyong ikang papel sa ating bayan. Congratulations and bravo, really bravo. Hindi mga bago ang aking sasabihin sa inyo dahil I'm sure narinig nyo na ito sa maraming tao at nabasa nyo na sa maraming libro. Pero hindi ako mapapagod sa kasasabi na napakahalagang stakeholders ng kabataan, lalo na ng mga estudyante, the student force of this country. Dahil naniniwala ako na the most fearless sector of society ay kayo. Sobrang pagalang ko sa role na meron kayo sa ating bayan. Kaya sinasabi ko hindi lamang sa darating na eleksyon dahil marami ang takot sa inyo. Marami ang takot sa inyo dahil nagsasabi kayo ng totoo, hindi kayo natatakot, and you have the energy that many people in this country don't have anymore. And also, may I say that habang nandito kayo sa stage na ito ng inyong buhay, tuloy-tuloy sana yung passion, yung energy. Pag pinag-uusapan yung leadership, nariyan na yung konsepto ng servant leadership, nariyan na yung konsepto ni Mandela, halimbawa ng leadership na ibinibigay talaga ang kanyang buhay, ibinibigay talaga ang kanyang buong paniniwala. But at the same time, cognizant ng sistema. Yung kwento nga ni Nelson Mandela na kung kinakailangan ako sumayaw ng toye-toye para makuha ko ang atensyon ng sambayanan at para ma-deliver ko yung aking mensahe na mali ang apartheid, ay gagawin ko yon. So ibig sabihin, ang liderato ay dapat natututunan at your stage, no? That we have things that we fight for. But we have to realize that there is a way of fighting properly and correctly to be able to achieve what we want. Katulad na lamang, mandiba ang tawag kay Nelson Mandela. Si Clinton, iba rin yung kanyang konsepto ng leadership. Napakatalino, napaka-global, napaka-international, hindi lamang Amerika. Pero napaka-protectionist, ika nga, ng interest ng Amerika. Pero one president who talks about giving, who talks about the interconnectivity of the human race. Now, we cannot ignore each other's successes and failings because we are so connected that we are bound by the same thread. In other words, kung ano ang lungkot mo ay nare-realize ko na nakaka-apekto sa akin. Your joy affects me, your pain affects me. So if a leadership recognizes this basic principle of being connected to one another, aba, hindi mas masaya ang mundong ito. To you student leaders, continue to lead. But bear in mind that leading is also following. That's Nelson Mandela. That leading is following. Following, listening to the voice inside you, to the voices before you, and learning from the experiences of the student leaders before all of us. So all the best. I'll continue to pray. I'll continue to pray to God that you be guided not to the destination. I mean, you be guided to the right path as you continue with this journey. Congratulations to the 7th Congress of the Student Council Alliance of the Philippines. Mabuhay.